Good evening from here in London. So we've just seen the closing bell on Wall Street, and we did see a bit of a mixed picture in terms of the US indices. The Nasdaq slightly firmer, however both the Dow and the S&P finished in negative territory for the day. The Dow the weakest of the three. So looking back earlier in terms of the US, we did see a slightly weaker US housing data, so this did weigh on the major indices. We also had Hewlett-Packard release their quarterly earnings before the opening bell. These did report a weak future outlook, so Hewlett-Packard shares were down around over 8% at the closing bell, so these have really weighed on the Dow composite today. So just after the closing bell, we did have Dell's earnings. They did see a big beat on their EPS, a record beat there, although their revenue did come in slightly below par. Their aftermarket shares are currently halted, so we don't really have a clue how these will come out in terms of how traders anticipate these events. So looking elsewhere, in terms of WTI crude, we did have an options expiry today, so this did see a bit of volatility in WTI crude today. It did sell off at the pit open, however just ahead of the settle there was a bit of short covering, although it did finish down around over negative 0.5% on the session. So that's about it in terms of the day for today. We do have API data coming up shortly in a few minutes. We'll bring that to you in the morning, and then tomorrow we have the UK BOE minutes, so those will be heavily anticipated. We'll be looking out for if there is a slightly dovish tone to that following last month's CPI data coming in at 4%. And we also have the UK unemployment figures, and then in the afternoon we have the US DOE numbers. So those are the numbers to look forward to for tomorrow. So that's it from us in London. We wish you have a great evening, and we'll see you again tomorrow.